morning, guys. So we're going to take our breakfast. Ayan. So we're going to up, I think.
38?
Yeah, 38th floor. Doon yung kanilang restaurant. So we're going there, guys. 38th floor. Doon sa pinaka-top. 38th floor. Doors open.
Going down.
38. Yeah, so we are in 38th floor. So wala pang tao. I think so. It's not yet. So, sarado pa, guys. Masyado pang maaga ata. And I will show you the London Bridge. That is ayan yung view ng city of London. So, yan. So, masyado pang maaga, guys. Yeah. So, ito yung ating view from our hotel. Nagpa-flash yun sa glass. Kaya, ayan, si Kuya. Pupunta doon. Mag-view. So, pinapago ko siya. And that is Peter. And you're taking a picture?
Yeah, you put it against this.
Oh, it's good like this. Up.
Yep.
Yeah, look. It's nice.
Yeah.
Look at, guys. Yeah. Here is the city of London. Masyado pang maaga. I think it's 7 o'clock. So, ayan, guys. Sa baba yung ating breakfast site. Yeah, I think so. So, we're going here. I think that we have a number for our... Yeah. She come. So, ayan yung ano natin. Yeah. So, ayan lang pala. Ano na much? This one. Where do you want? You put my phone there, right? Yes, okay. So, ayan guys. We have a lot of choices. Do you want that? All is. So, ayan guys, may bacon. Maraming choices. And this area naman guys is broad. Tsaka mga fruits. Ayan, so inaantay ko yung aking tinapay. Yeah. Ayan, this. Ayan, so ang dami mga choices. Guys, mayroon din dito sa side namin. And then dito kami nakaupo. So, yung Tower London Bridge ang namin view. Ayan guys, bili lang ating breakfast. And then ang ating view is yung the city of London. Ayan guys, so we are in Big Ben today. So ayan. Nagtitik ng video si Peter. So, ayan guys. Hanap tayo ng ibang spot na pagpipicturean natin. So, andito na nga tayo sa what's the name of this? Big Ben. Nakakalimutan nila. So, ayan. So, pupunta tayo sa ibang side. So, ayan guys. Kung gusto mo na magandang picture, linya ka lang dyan. Hanggang dyan yung dulo ang pila. So, para lang dyan sa view na yan. So, magpipila ako. So, ayan guys. Ang daming turista. Today is Friday. Ayan. Mas marami pa dun sa dulo. Galing kami dun. Then, ayan. Pila-pila yung magpapapicture dito sa may patilepono. Nagpapapicture si Peter. Hindi niya alam, binibideo ko na siya. So anyway, we are finished photoshoot na doon sa my telephone. So ayan. Guys, we are going back to our hotel again. From what is the name we've been? Big Ben and Big Eye. Big Eye. Oh, Big Eye. But we are going back tonight guys there para sa mas maganda yung city light tonight. Hey honey. Yeah, can't hear me. So ayan guys, may nagtitiktok sa likod. So ayan, babalik na tayo sa hotel and then ayan, tonight na naman tayo lalabas. And then punta kami mag-swimming, magsusona, mag-gym daw si Peter. So babalik tayo dun guys and catch you up tonight na kasi hindi tayo mag-video. I-moment namin ang araw na ito kasi ilang araw din lang naman. So ayan, so maybe marami akong hindi matitik na video dito pero yung mga na-take ko lang yun lang, pero hindi ako nagpunta dito para mag-take ng video. So catch you up later guys. Ating pa-view ng gabi dito sa Big Ben. So ayan naman yung ating Big Eye. Isa lang yung ilaw niya, hindi naman ilaw yung ibang color kasi hindi gumagana. And then that is my photographer, Peter. So yan lang guys for tonight.